In this video, we will learn how to find the jobs for the interpreters and how to get this qualification. So if I go on find a job and if I look for interpreters, I got 4,402 interpreters jobs in UK. So for example, Polish interpreter for £14 to £16 per hour. We have Italian one and the salary is not disclosed. Latvian interpreter, and we have Spanish. So there are loads of jobs. So roughly currently we have 4,402 jobs opening. If I go on Indeed and if I look for this professional freelance interpreters, Arabic, Turkish, Farsi, Kurdish, Urdu, Pashto, Somali and other, and they're paying 15 to 20 pound. The question mark is how to get these jobs and which qualification we need to do. So I'll show you in this video what we need. I'll check another website, last one, S1 jobs. This is a very good job. Many people are not aware of this website. So if I look for interpreter's job and I search 283 jobs in Scotland. And if I go down, for example, the first one, face-to-face interpreters dealing with confidential information, timekeeping. We are currently looking for Vietnamese, Bengali, Kurdish, Persian, Polish, Somali, Romanian, Georgian, Algerian, Czech, Turkish, Arabic, Chinese, loads of. So in Glasgow, this one is in Glasgow. This one is in Fife. If I go down, I have another one which is in Perth and Kinross. So it's also remote face-to-face as well. So you can work from home as well. You can do that job from home as well. So in short, there are loads of jobs. Also, you can work for the police. So for that, you need CIOL qualification level 3. So this is the qualification you need. How to get this qualification? I'll put this link of this file in the description so you know. Qualification information, qualification purpose, qualification objective, structure, entry requirement. So this explains everything. So over here, let's zoom in. Qualification title, CIOL qualification level 3, certificate in bilingual skill police. Qualification number, total qualification time 300 minimum, level 3 credit hours 30 and assessment oral. Then if we go down, they have explained further about this. Over here, they have explained the framework. RQF level 3 is the framework for this. They also have provided assessment marking criteria. So this explains us everything about how do they mark. So accuracy, completeness, coherence, vocabulary, grammar, punctuation, presentation, manner, fluency. So they rate according to that. Now let's dive in to the certificate. To get this certificate, we will go on International School of Linguists website. So the website is islinguists.com. And we will look for level 3 certificate in community interpreting, CIC. This is the start. So obviously you start from somewhere and then you go forward. So you start with certificate, you can do diploma as well. Now this is where they have explained level 3 certificate in community interpreting with tutor support is £774. Level 3 certificate in community interpreting exam only is £399. Personal language specialist tutoring session 3 hours £180. Level 3 certificate in community interpreting mock exam only £110. So if you want a certificate in this, then go to this website. At the bottom you have these links. So the quick links are interpreting courses. Click on this one. This will take you to this page where you have level 6, level 3. Click on the level 3 option. Then go down and at the bottom, they have explained you about this. Do you have interpreting experience but no formal qualification? Do you prefer to rely on the support of a tutor and get 2 chances to sit in the exam? Then our new level 3 certificate in community interpreting is your perfect solution. They have provided all the details over here. I'll put the link of this website as well in the description. Many applicants do ask me, sir, which job we should do or we can't find the jobs. So I always recommend do something technical, something which other people are not doing. So this job is something which not everyone has this qualification. Many people are not even aware of that. And if you go on find a job, you will see 36 police interpreters jobs. So many police services, obviously they need these people and they wanted to hire them for part-time, not full-time. So you can do this job as a part-time as well. So freelance interpreters, Farsi. So this is for justice. This is also for justice. So inside the courts, you need the interpreters as well. There is, let's suppose we open this one. So freelance interpreter Urdu, that's justice. It's a contractual job. And if we go down, we can see the qualifications they must have asked. So C1 level 100 hours interpreter experience, either as a professional, friend or family through voluntary work. So they will provide you all the details. But if you have the qualifications, if you have the courses, then this job can be yours. And it's a very easy job because you're just translating from one language to another language. So hope this video helps you. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos on how you can find jobs, how you can find scholarships, which university you should come and study. So my channel got loads of content which can help you.